Click on the link below to get price. The ALORAIR Whole House Dehumidifier is an impressive solution for anyone dealing with excess moisture in their home. With a powerful extraction capacity of 90 pints per day, PPD, this commercial-grade unit stands out for its efficiency and effectiveness in controlling humidity levels. It's especially suitable for larger spaces, such as basements, crawl spaces, or even entire homes in humid climates. The design of the ALORAIR dehumidifier is both functional and robust. It features a durable construction that can withstand daily use, which is essential for a product intended for commercial settings. The energy efficiency of this model is noteworthy. It operates using less energy compared to many other dehumidifiers in its class, which is a significant consideration for long-term operating costs. Installation is straightforward, with a user-friendly control panel that makes it easy to set desired humidity levels. The digital display provides clear information, allowing for precise adjustments. Additionally, the auto-restart function comes in handy during power outages, ensuring that your dehumidification process continues seamlessly once power is restored. One of the standout features of the ALORAIR dehumidifier is its advanced air filtration system. It includes a washable and reusable filter that captures dust and allergens, improving overall air quality. This is particularly beneficial for allergy sufferers or those with respiratory issues. Noise levels are another critical aspect, and while all dehumidifiers produce some sound, the ALORAIR operates relatively quietly, making it suitable for use in living areas without causing significant disruption. Overall, the ALORAIR Whole House Dehumidifier is a reliable, efficient, and powerful option for tackling moisture issues in various environments. Its combination of high capacity, energy efficiency, and ease of use makes it a valuable investment for homeowners and businesses alike. If you are in search of an effective solution to combat humidity, this dehumidifier is definitely worth considering.